LPG tankers' fire still on. Why Kerch Strait turned into death zone. Both moored tankers, still on fire, started to drift towards Crimean coast just south of Kerch Strait, in the morning June 24. Understood later, during the day, salvors managed to anchor Maestro, so both ships were stationary in Crimean waters inside 12-nanometer zone. Candy meanwhile, broke off her remaining moorings and resumed drifting towards Crimean coast, still engulfed in flames. Fire on board Candy was much stronger than that on board of Maestro, because Candy had most of LPG lot, which was to be transferred to Maestro. SAR tug SPASATEL Demidov managed to take Candy on tow and tow her further off to
tanker missing in Java Sea, still no trace found. Already a month passed since tanker disappeared, and still no trace, no hint as to what fate befall Nam's Bang Zod. Search is still underway, with all Indonesian ship owners and ships being on alert. But still, nothing. Tanker can't sink in minutes, like dry cargo ship in case of cargo shift and capsizing. This one couldn't explode or be glutted by fire, either, considering its palm oil cargo. Also, major fire in Java Sea couldn't be overlooked. Java Sea is too populated for that. So sudden instantaneous sinking without a trace is an unlikely event. Piracy? Piracy version still seems to be most likely explanation, though usually it takes days, 2 weeks at most, to rob tanker of its cargo and release her. Maybe something went wrong in this. Two ferries collided at Olbia, Italy. Ferry cruise Olbia struck portside bridge wing of Ferry Athara at Olbia port, Sardinia, Italy, while moving from pier, at around 1,200 LT Jan 24. Apparently, accident occurred in rough weather conditions. Ferry went out of control, notwithstanding assisting tug or tugs. Athara bridge wing was seriously damaged, cruise Olbia said to be unscathed. She continued her voyage after leaving Olbia harbor. Athara understandably remained at port. Passenger ro-ro ship cruise Olbia, IMO 9,198,939, GT 32,728, built 2001, flag Italy, operator Grimaldi Group. Passenger ro-ro ship Athara, IMO 9,263,655, GT 35,736, built 2003, flag Italy, manager Terenia, Iton, arrested tanker drifted onto bridge, Indonesia. Product tanker Eastern Glory drifted onto Berlang Bridge, Southern Batam Island, Wright Islands, Singapore Strait, in the afternoon Jan 23, after she broke off her moorings or anchor. Superstructure was partially drawn under the bridge, with visible damages to upper navigational deck and mast. The ship was arrested on September 4, 2018 for illegal oil trade, and is still under arrest, in ballast. From the looks of her, she may be unmanned, or with minimal crew on board. Product tanker Eastern Glory, IMO 8,508,228, DWT 5,288, built 1986, flag Mongolia.